What I love about Amazon is that it is the fastest way to grow a brand in e-commerce. Within 6 weeks, you can have a fully functional, highly big sales engine going on the platform at scale. You can't say that about any other platform in the world at the same success rate. I've been burned by Amazon too, though. And there's many things that have happened to me that make me go, WTF. My tacos is going up, my ACOS is going up. Amazon is just charging me more and more and more and more. So we're seeing that Amazon is being a little looser, which makes it harder to be technical, makes it harder to be specific, makes it harder to control. And so a lot of the techniques that we're seeing work today, or what worked last year, aren't working today. And we're seeing things slip because of all those changes. My prediction is in the next 2 years, we'll also probably see Amazon give us demographic targeting. It's just purely inevitable. But I still like to highlight the fact that Amazon is not passive income, but it's still worth doing. So that's why I love Amazon.